Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to dekernel the corn from the cob. This is a very simple hack you all should know, so let's get started. Remove the outer layers of the sweet corn. Cut off both the ends. Now using a spoon or fork back, loosen the kernel row from the sides. Now pull out all the kernels in the row. Only the first kernel row removal is going to be a little difficult. Once done, you can easily loosen the remaining kernel rows and dekernel the sweet corn. This technique takes only about a minute, so do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.